Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to connect an Apple Pencil 2 to your iPad Air 4. Now honestly, this will also work for really any other iPad that supports an Apple Pencil 2, so keep that in mind. But the process is very easy. All you want to do is make sure your Apple Pencil 2 is screwed in all the way up top. Sometimes this thing can get unscrewed, so you just want to screw it in as much as you can. Then what you want to do is you want to take this little thing, and on the side of the iPad, you will see that there's a magnet right here. And even if you put your iPad on the Apple Pencil 2 right next to it, you'll see that it'll kind of just throw it into place. And once you do that, you're pretty much done. This is all you really have to do. Now your Apple Pencil 2 should have a little prompt. Now I already connected it here, so it's already connected. But there should be a little prompt that comes up and it should say, oh, welcome to your Apple Pencil. You can go and click continue. There'll be a couple other pop-ups here and there. But typically at this point, you're pretty much done. You can go ahead and undo this little Apple Pencil here. You can go ahead and use it however you want to as a stylus. Now, one of the biggest problems that I've seen a lot of people run into is when their Apple Pencil 2 isn't working. Sometimes it may not be charged enough for you to actually use it. But the other main thing is actually the tip. Like I said before, if your tip is not screwed in all the way, for some reason it doesn't work. It's very annoying, but you're going to have to make sure that this tip is screwed in all the way before you actually go ahead and utilize it through. So that's really pretty much it. Again, put it kind of to the side, to the right side of the iPad if you're looking at it, and you should be able to go ahead and utilize it. And that's really pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.